Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Chevy Impala SS marks a bold return for one of Chevrolet's most iconic nameplates. Blending muscle car heritage with modern luxury and technology, the new Impala SS is designed to appeal to both nostalgic enthusiasts and today's performance-minded sedan buyers. With a refreshed exterior, powerful engine options, and a tech-loaded cabin, Chevy has given the Impala a serious shot at reclaiming its place among the top performance sedans on the market. At first glance, the 2025 Impala SS immediately grabs attention with its aggressive styling. A sculpted front fascia, blacked-out grille with SS badging, LED headlights, and pronounced hood lines give it a powerful stance. Aerodynamic enhancements like side skirts, a rear spoiler, and quad exhaust tips reinforce the vehicle's performance identity. Large 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires further hint at the muscle underneath the hood. The design language successfully blends old-school SS cues with a modern interpretation, resulting in a sedan that looks both classy and intimidating. Under the hood, the 2025 Impala SS delivers serious firepower. The standard model comes with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, similar to the one found in the Camaro SS, producing an estimated 455 horsepower and 455 pounds-to-feet of torque. For drivers seeking even more thrills, an optional performance package bumps that number closer to 500 horsepower, thanks to advanced tuning and performance exhaust. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth yet aggressive shifts. An available dual-mode exhaust system allows drivers to toggle between quiet cruising and a throaty growl that announces the SS's presence. Performance is further enhanced by a reworked suspension system, including magnetic ride control for improved handling and ride comfort. Brembo brakes provide the stopping power needed to tame the SS's muscle, while a limited slip rear differential ensures maximum grip during hard launches and spirited cornering. The Impala SS isn't just about brute force, it's built to handle twisty roads as well as straight-line sprints. Step inside the 2025 Impala SS, and you'll find a cabin that balances sportiness with premium comfort. The driver-focused cockpit includes bolstered leather sport seats with SS stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and aluminium pedals. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen offer crisp visuals and seamless integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Chevrolet has also included a premium Bose audio system, wireless charging pad, and a full suite of driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. Chevy has taken care to ensure the new Impala SS also meets modern standards for everyday usability. The rear seat offers generous legroom for passengers, and the trunk space is impressive for a performance sedan. This makes the Impala SS a genuine dual-purpose vehicle, one that can serve as a comfortable family sedan during the week and a street-legal muscle machine on the weekends. In 2025, the return of the Chevy Impala SS is more than just a comeback, it's a statement. It brings back the spirit of American performance in a package that's refined, practical, and downright thrilling to drive. For those who remember the Impala SS of the past, this new version pays tribute while pushing boldly into the future. For newcomers, it offers a fresh taste of what American muscle can be in the modern age.